Now let us improve our vocabulary. How do we improve our vocabulary? Yes, we learn new words. So here I have written few words that are related to l'ordinateur. So what does l'ordinateur means? It means the computer. L'ordinateur means the computer. So are you ready to learn some of the words related to the computer? The first word is un ordinateur. Yeah, it is a computer. Un ordinateur. Un ordinateur. The next word is un portable. Un portable. It means a laptop. Un portable. Okay. The next word is un clavier. Un clavier. It means the keyboard. Un clavier. The next word is une souris. Une souris. It means the mouse. Yes, I hope you know all these words are related to the computer. These are some parts of these two are the parts of the computer. Un ordinateur means the computer. Un portable means laptop. Un clavier. Un clavier means the keyboard. Une souris. Une souris means mouse. This word, yes, it is a very familiar one. Un programme. It means a program, a computer program. Un programme. The next word, un ordinateur de dernier modèle. A computer, un ordinateur of dernier means latest or last. Dernier model means model. So un ordinateur de dernier modèle is a latest model computer. A computer of latest model. Okay. So these are few words related to l'ordinateur, le computer. Un ordinateur, a computer. Un portable, laptop. Un portable. Un clavier. Un clavier, which is the keyboard. Une souris. Une souris is the mouse. Un programme is a program. Un ordinateur de dernier modèle is a computer of the latest model or the latest model computer. So I hope you have taken a note of these words. These are few words that are related to the computer.